Is it time to buy or sell Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear One-Time Shares ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear One-Time Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 2nd of September, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of August, 2025, our system has identified Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear One-Time Shares as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.01. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance throughout this period. The ETF has recorded a loss of 5.69%. This equates to an average loss of 0.63% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated at the lower end of a declining trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. However, if the support level at $10.24 is broken, it could indicate a significant acceleration in the downward trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 20.5% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -21.31% to -14.56%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected decline of 14.62%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -15.20% and 20.40% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $8.78 and $12.46. Our latest daily update for Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear One-Time Shares includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear One-Time Shares ETF after gaining approximately 0.583%. The Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear One-Time Shares ETF price increased by approximately 0.583% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 2nd of September, 2025. The price rose from $10.29 to $10.35. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.46%, with a low of $10.35 and a high of $10.60. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by approximately 3.72% over this period. The trading volume fell on the last day by 29,000 shares, resulting in a total of 518,000 shares being traded for about $5,360,000. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $16, while the lowest price was $10.20. Currently, the price stands 35.31%, or $5.65 below the 52-week high, and 66.81%, or $20.83 below the all-time high reached on the 3rd of November, 2022, when the price peaked at $31.18. GGLS is currently positioned amidst a broader technology rebound and optimism surrounding artificial intelligence. The remarkable performance of NVIDIA in late August reignited excitement across companies heavily invested in AI, increasing demand for portfolios that include exposure to Google and resulting in a surge of short-term investments in GGLS. This momentum follows a series of technology earnings reports throughout the spring, which largely alleviated concerns regarding a potential retreat from AI investments. Market commentary this summer has highlighted that several major companies appear magnificent once again, especially as trade and tariff uncertainties have eased. In the near term, expect GGLS to closely follow market momentum. Positive news, strong earnings from the sector, or continued inflows into exchange-traded funds could lead to rapid gains. Conversely, any resurgence in tariff discussions, weak guidance, or profit-taking could increase market volatility. Looking at the longer term, the key factors will hinge on the monetization of AI and the fundamentals of advertising and search. Google's core business continues to present a growth opportunity, provided that advancements in AI translate into higher revenue per user and increased demand for advertising. However, there are structural risks, including regulatory scrutiny and macroeconomic pressures that could limit growth potential. For investors, GGLS offers a pathway to engage with lasting trends in AI and search, but it is likely to experience fluctuations until earnings consistently validate this narrative. The following signals have been identified for Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear one-time shares. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 0.583%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume declined during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The exchange-traded fund should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, and these may impact the near short-term development. The Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear one-time shares ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast for the ETF. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $10.45 and $11.07. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 50 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 49 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 61 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear one-time shares. Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear one-time shares finds support from accumulated volume at $10.33. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed to be low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $0.25, which represents 2.46% between its high and low. For the past week, this ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.85%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear one-time shares. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear one-time shares is at $10.73. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear one-time shares encounters its first support level at $10.33. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear one-time shares ETF a good buy? Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear one-time shares exhibits several negative signals and is currently within a downward trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks, resulting in a negative assessment of this exchange-traded fund. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 3rd of September, we expect Direxion Daily GOOGL Bear one-time shares to open higher by approximately 8 cents, starting at $10.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.